Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Cash App verification. So for that there may be several reasons for issues in your Cash App, and one of them could be the date of birth you have entered on Cash App might be different from the documents that you have uploaded on Cash App. So make sure that the date of birth is same on your documents as well as when you write it on the app. And the second reason could be that the pictures that you have uploaded of document on Cash App for verification might not be clear. So make sure that you click clear pictures of your document while verifying. And the another reason can be that there might be some bug in Cash App. So for that you can just restart your Cash App account and again try to verify. And even after doing all of this, your problem still persists, then you can just sign up for a new account, because for some of the people out there this method worked, and right after they created a new account they were able to verify their account quite easily. And these are the possible reasons for your problem or issues on Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.